Welcome! If you're tired of GIFs automatically playing in your Telegram channels and distracting you while you browse, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable Autoplay GIFs on the Telegram desktop app using the latest update. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the sidebar menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram behaves, including privacy, notifications, and data usage. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Advanced option and click on it. This section contains more detailed controls that affect your overall app experience. Now, within Advanced, look for the section labeled In Channels. This is specifically where Telegram manages how media behaves when you're viewing content in channels. Click on In Channels and you'll see several options related to media playback. Here's the important part. Find the option for GIFs. By default, autoplay might be enabled, which is why those animations keep playing automatically. To stop that, simply disable the GIFs option. Once you turn it off, Telegram will no longer autoplay GIFs in channels, giving you a cleaner and less distracting browsing experience.